Hi guys, today I'm gonna do another review on a product I think well deserved to be mentioned. This one is Kärcher Puzzi 10/1. If you're watching this from Malaysia, especially in Klang Valley, I put in the detail of the person who provide this renting service. Actually, I ran this from a vacuum cleaning service. You can rent them as low as 100 per day. I think it's quite worth it, value for money. Consider that if you send a carpet, price of cleaning one carpet is the same as you renting one whole day. Actually, you should use the bucket that they provided. If you look at the main section, in the front section, there is a bucket where after you done vacuuming, those will be filled with dirty water. That is actually the bucket that you can use. So then you connect the hose. There are two hoses there. If you look, the smaller one is where the water will go out, and the black one is the hose for the vacuum. So that when you press the button for the water will sprinkle out, while the black one is where you suck all the dirty from the water and also vacuuming. Be in mind, before you start your cleaning operation, you need to vacuum it using a normal vacuum first, so that you won't have that too many big debris. After you pour in the water, pour in the chemical. You can also use Kärcher white cleaner unit. They are like a soap, but that one is maybe more expensive. See all this yellow section? It is where the joint for this vacuum unit. There are a few places. If you look at the body at the back section, there is the holder for the wires, holder for the hose, and then the middle part is the two button, one for the vacuum, another one is for the mechanism using the water that you fill in. Actually, it's a quite a cycle where you put in the water in, you put the chemical or the soap, if you like to call it. Then after you sprinkle the water using the hose and the floor tool, the other part from that floor tool will suck the water and also the dirt as well. By having this chemical, they will help the process. It works wonder. You will use this for personal home. I think it's good enough for me. I'm satisfied with how much the dirt came out from my carpets. Consistent spraying of the chemicals to the carpet, and then you suck it very slowly so that all the dirt, the water will not cap in the carpets. We don't want that. We want a clean and just thin of layer of water left in the carpet, so that after you're done cleaning the carpet, you just have to leave it under a fan. Then your carpet will be as good as new. First you do in one direction. After you're done with that, you change direction, accordance or zigzag. So first time, make sure it is a uniform pattern. Make it in straight line, same line. After done, you repeat that, or maybe you will do a zigzag. Then you will not believe that the water that come in into the water reservoir is quite dirty, and I think I am quite impressed with how this machine works. And if you're interested, I put in the bio where you can rent this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you guys in the next one.